Alright, so what we got here is a 96 ZJ, and the unibody back here, as you can see right there, it's cracked. And it's also got a little warp there. I hit a rock a long time ago, and so how to fix that, this being a unibody car, is I'm going to take this plate here that it was a little piece of C-channel. I flattened one side. We're going to stick it up in here like this. I went ahead and drilled some holes so we can still use the little shield here, heat shield deal for the gas tank. Then what I'll actually do is I'll come in here, hammer this up, get that in there flush, and send it with some welds. And that's how you fix a cracked unibody.